strongly recommended for your safety to wear proper riding attire. For example, long finger gloves, a full long sleeve shirt or jacket, pants, and shoes that cover your entire foot, so no sandals or flip-flops. Wearing a DOT approved helmet is required by state law in Oregon. You want it to fit snugly so that if you shake your head, the helmet moves with you and not independently. Always use your turn signals, avoid jerky movements, and be careful when you change lanes. It's also important to drive very defensively. Assume that people cannot see you. Avoid blind spots, such as the rear corners of vehicles. If you are looking into their mirror and cannot see the driver, they probably can't see you. The tires on the scooters are fairly small, so be careful about gravel, potholes, and other road hazards. Be very careful about crossing train tracks. If you cross them at too parallel an angle, they can grab your tire and cause you to lose control. You want to be as close to 45 or 90 degrees to the tracks as possible. This includes when you're crossing tracks in your lane or while you're changing lanes. Keep in mind that metal surfaces around train tracks or anything metal, such as manhole covers, are very slippery when wet, so slow down and use care when riding in wet conditions. Scooters are considered motorized vehicles, so you need to obey all traffic laws. Lane splitting between two vehicles in their lanes is illegal in the state of Oregon, so don't do it. Do not ride your scooter in bike lanes, but riding your scooter on streets that are designated bike routes is encouraged. You're not supposed to go over 30 miles per hour on a scooter, so don't ride on the freeway. And in Portland, the speed limit in residential areas is 20 miles per hour. Please obey all posted speed limits. When parking your scooter, always use designated parking spots. Back your scooter in so that the back tire touches the curb and the front tire faces the street. If you have to park on a hill, park with the front tire facing uphill and the back tire against the curb. This will keep the scooter from rolling down the hill. There are parking meters in many parts of Portland, and you want to avoid parking tickets. So use the designated parking receipt holder on your scooter or download the Parking Kitty app. If you do drop your scooter, first make sure that you're free from immediate danger and you're safe. If the engine is running, turn the engine off. You want to pick the scooter up using the handlebars, bend at the knees, and then lift. Before continuing, make sure that everything is working properly on your scooter. If you are in an accident, you are required by law to show insurance and registration. Your Scoot Supplemental Insurance and Registration is located under the seat of your scooter. To start your scooter, make sure that the key is in the on position, the kill switch is in the run position, and then press the ignition button. Don't leave the scooter running if it's unattended. And don't leave the key in the on position when the engine is not running because it'll drain the battery. If the battery is drained, use the Kickstarter. To kickstart the scooter, make sure that it's up on its center stand, the key is in the on position, the kill switch is in the run position, give it a little throttle, and give it a sharp kick. The turn signal switch is next to the left hand grip. To cancel the left or right turn signal, press the center button. To lift the seat, push the ignition key in and turn it to the left as far as it will go. Lift the seat from the back, and this will give you access to the fuel filler cap in the back of the compartment. To lock the helmet to the scooter, lift the seat and put the D-rings over the peg at the front of the seat compartment, then close the seat. Now that you've learned the basics, you can zip around Portland and enjoy all that it has to offer. Vroom.